friends, today I am going to show you how to make a paper airplane. First do it like this and fold over here and open it and make one corona and do like this. Then friends, over here one line will begin and you press it like this and do here over here.
हाथ छोड़ देखने दे इन लोग को.
See, then you do like this. Then
हटना.
it's over.
Hashi, see you. See you.
Then do like
See here. Then
then do like this.